Follow up ko lang po dun sa question si MJ, regarding sa MGA. Marami kasi mga pageant fans na isa ka sa mga tinitignan nila regarding sa pageant because of the titles na meron ka sa ALB Pageant Circle. Mainit recently yung meeting ni Nawat and Jojo Bragais. Is it true po ba na sa inyo pa rin po ba ang MGI Philippines franchise?
As I've said, after delivering two queens from the
Yes.
Philippines, it's about time naman that I can create our own international pageant. So I have to choose. Maybe if MGI will give it to Jojo or to anybody that they're willing to accept Miss Grant, I'm open if they want to give it to others, because my plan is to put up our own na galing naman sa Philippines, because Vietnam is very successful, Thailand is very successful. So with regards to the pageant industry, Philippines is one of the biggest, most powerhouse in the field of pageantry. So why don't we have one from the Philippines who have to stage and create our own pageant? Like, we only have one, which is Miss Earth. So this time, it's about time to have another one, which is bigger and better pageant. Which one of my purpose, also my objective, is to be partnered with Viva Group of Companies.
Pero yung relationship with Nawat and MGI Group, okay pa rin po?
Yeah, of course,
Yes.
of course. We have MGI.
Yes.
MGI are representative.
Yes.
No, we're friends. No problem. I
Okay.
don't want to create any enemies or bad with other. I have always have a good relationship to other international directors or international pageant.
Sunod ko na rin po, paano po yung naging selection ng girls na nandito po sa panel natin ngayon? Paano po sila napili na maging sila yung first batch of ALB talent na mag-sign with Viva?
We had an audition prior for that was 3 weeks ago, together with, of course, all the big wigs of Viva were there also. And so ito yung mga napili.
Yes po.
We have an audition na talagang they go into audition.
Yes.
And these are the artists na napili. Dahil syempre there's iba naman yung pageantry, yung requirements, iba din yung requirements for to be an actress, to be a singer, or to be part. Iba yung requirements. So these are the girls who we think na pinag-usapan namin na who has the potential to be a star or to be an actress or to be a singer, because all of them they went to the process.
Okay. Thank you po. Siguro po yung questions ko naman para sa mga girls, individually po. Paano po